In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Khan Academy for Kids. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, let's open the Khan Academy app. Then, in the home menu, you scroll down past your recent lessons and my courses, and you can learn anything page. And at the bottom you find Khan Academy Kids. Now, you tap on download now, and it takes you to the Google Play page, where you can just tap on install, and it will download it for your phone, and then you can start to use it as you like. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.